Got a taste test and a package. What do we do first?
That's the show, but before we go, the taste test. Yes.
You want to do taste test first?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. How about you? Can you divvy up? Oh, I ripped that very
Oh, my ear. Okay.
Can you divvy up the 6 each that we need?
Ah! Okay.
You all right? And while you do that, I'll go through the list here. See all those? Okay. So we've got margarita, churro,
Okay.
salsa, guacamole, beef taco, and horchata.
I feel like there's 7.
There's not.
But look.
These are both horchatas.
No, but look.
Okay,
Those
well-
don't look the same.
Okay, well, take that one out. Take
Where'd
the
they
odd one out.
go?
You knocked into them coming over, and they all scatter.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4.
5, 6. Nope.
So this
You
is
got
the curse
2
of
whites.
jelly beans. Taco truck jelly beans.
You got 2 of those
Late
grains.
night taco truck jelly beans from Brock's.
Brock's. This is what you... Dang, look at that one. That's a weird shaped jelly
That's
bean.
a fat beef taco you got right there.
You think that's the beef taco?
That's definitely the beef taco, the yellowish one.
Ah.
Give me a normal. That's going to be one of the worst ones. I don't want a whole bunch.
Why are you so whiny? There you go.
I'm whiny.
Here. Ready?
Yes.
Hand.
So I don't want to.
I don't want to.
I don't want to hold them. Okay. So I think the lime greenier one is the margarita. So you want to start with that one?
That one?
Yes.
All right, ready?
Lime greeny.
Margarita. That's a margarita.
Ooh. That's delightful.
It is very good.
Nice
It's
lime
yummy.
flavor. Not overwhelmingly. Not sour. It's like a sweet lime.
It's good. They could have done something with like salt though.
Yeah, could have had a little
That
bit of
would've-
a,
Yeah,
just
that would have been
slight-
better.
just a single grain of salt in the
Yeah. It would have made the entire experience so much more realistic.
All right, brown and speckled is the churro. Okay, it took forever to get a flavor. Doesn't really taste like churro. Tastes a bit of like cinnamon, or at least a spice.
I'm kind of disappointed.
Yeah, it's not bad,
It's not bad at all,
but
but it's not churro.
like had you not told me it was supposed to be something, I'd be like, this is a tasty jelly bean.
Yeah.
But if I'm expecting a churro flavor, this ain't it. Better than the churro flavored Pop Tarts
That
that smelled like cinnamon bleach.
is churro.
Okay. All right, that's all right.
This one,
I'm gonna palate cleanse.
that's smart.
All right.
That's smart.
All right, so now we're getting into the weird ones. Salsa. Salsa.
This one, the pink one.
Yep.
This is, hold on.
It tastes like salsa.
No,
It
it
does.
tastes like spaghetti sauce.
Oh, a little bit.
That's what it tastes like.
I can't.
It tastes like spaghetti sauce. It does not taste like salsa. They missed the mark there.
Ugh. Ugh.
It's not awful, but it is definitely not like that was a jelly bean?
No, it's awful. It's awful.
I need a pasta jelly bean now because that was spaghetti sauce. 100%. Like Hunt's tomato.
Ugh.
with onion and green pepper. That's what I taste. I taste green pepper.
So
and that's
gross.
why it's not.
Yeah.
That is why it's not salsa. I taste green pepper.
Well, it might be jalapeno.
No. They have two totally different flavors. That was green pepper, and that's what made it taste like spaghetti sauce, not salsa.
So bad. Oh, so bad. And this one I'm really not looking forward to because I do not like guacamole.
Guacamole.
Okay. Guacamole.
Where the heck are these people eating their Mexican food? That is not guac. That is not guac. That was so citrusy. That was gross. That was not good at all. Ugh. What's next? The beef taco?
Nobody's commenting, so I'm afraid
know.
that nobody's watching. And if we're doing this for nobody, I'm going to be really upset. Because these are gross.
They are gross. Well, I won't say, like, that one was the only one that was gross. KY said she's listening.
Okay.
Here comes the taco.
Okay, I'm watching it. It's hilarious. Okay, good.
Ready?
I'm just afraid because I remember we did this for, it was the spicy jelly beans, the Fiery Five.
And it wasn't working.
And it stopped, it like cut out on the last one.
Yep.
And it was the worst one. And we didn't have any footage of it.
Yep, I remember that.
We went through all that pain for nothing. Beef taco.
I don't hate that one.
Oh.
I like that one a whole lot, actually.
Nah. Ah. Ah. So gross. Rotten meat. Oh gosh, I'm gonna vomit.
I really like this one.
Oh.
This one, in comparison to the turkey from... Be careful, you almost knocked over the thing over there.
The what thing?
That thing, the big old CPU
The thing what?
In comparison to the turkey candy corn from 2 Thanksgivings ago, this is way better.
Yeah.
The
I mean, these
flavor
aren't as
there-
bad. But
Well, I mean, the beef taco flavoring.
look, yeah, no, I'll admit they taste like what they're supposed to taste like a lot more than those candy corn ever have. Except for the glazed carrots, those were pretty good.
The glazed carrots were delicious. But it's the same company, right? Brock's did the candy corn, didn't they?
Yeah.
All
All right, last one,
one.
which hopefully will be better. I've also never had this. I don't even really know what it is. What is it?
It's like a milk drink. Hot.
I feel like you're just saying nouns. Milk, drink, hot, white, liquid.
What is I think it has like coconut in it.
That would make sense.
What is horchata? Horchata,
Oh,
the name
delightful.
given to various kinds of plant-based beverages,
Plant-based.
soaked, ground, and sweetened tiger nuts.
And what?
Tiger nuts. Shut up.
What are those?
What is
What are those?
No. Tiger, like sweetened tiger nuts. It's a nut. Like a peanut
I've
or
never
a
heard
walnut.
of a tiger nut before.
Neither have I, but I'm hoping that's what it is. Horchata is a traditional Mexican drink made up of white rice soaked in water. It's flavored with cinnamon and sweetened with granulated sugar. Okay, so it's just white rice made into a drink. It's a Weiss drink. It's a Weiss drink. Ready?
I guess.
Yep, it's good.
Ooh.
This is like churro.
This tastes exactly like a churro.
This one's churro.
Holy cow. I
Yeah.
even taste like the donut, like fried
Yep.
dough.
That's churro.
That's delicious.
Yep. You want another one?
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh my gosh.
I'm going to put churro and horchata together and eat them
They
simultaneously.
could be pals. Dang, that's good. And a weird flavor to have with a jelly bean texture, but not off-putting.
There you go. You got to do that. You got to do that. I know you don't want to. There you go.
What's that? There's some unhappy tigers up there.
Oh, man.
Get your mind out of the gutter, chat.
That was good.
No, that's too sweet.
What?
I don't like them together.
What? Oh, you crazy.
I mean, it might be a more accurate churro flavor, but it's
Oh,
too
you
sweet.
crazy.
I think the horchata was the perfect amount.
Okay.
Okay, so 2 of those were really good.
Listen, the only one I really did not, well, there were 2 that I did not like. Guacamole,
Ugh.
but I didn't like the flavor of that one. The flavor was terrible. And then the salsa, it wasn't awful,
I was just mad at the presentation,
but it
the
was
execution.
spaghetti sauce. It wasn't salsa.
I wanted
Add
to go
in
south of
some-
the border with his jelly bean.
Yeah.
Instead, you sent me
Not
across the
Italiano.
Atlantic.
Add in some jalapeno and cilantro to that jelly bean, and you will have salsa. Take out the green pepper. I don't know why they put green pepper in there.
All right, last thing. You all right there?
Yeah. I'm just excited about these, so I'm going to keep eating them.
Okay. Last thing is a package that I didn't realize was wrapped so well. I don't have a knife. We got a anonymous package addressed to the taste test gurus. Oh, it's Pop-Tarts. Oh. It's a beat up thing of Pop-Tarts. Mystery flavor.
Uh-oh.
Yay. Lee. All right.
Beef taco and churro are not good together. That's not a good mix.
Mr. E flavor.
That's not a good mix at all.
What'd you mix? What'd you mix?
Beef taco and churro?
Why would you do that?
I don't
Oh
know.
my goodness. That is silly. That's silly times. Okay. Mr. E flavor.
Who's Mr. E?
I guess that's Mr. E.
What if I scan?
Oh, they're all broken. Do you smell it?
No. All that I can smell is jelly
Smells-
beans. Taco
smells-
truck jelly beans.
Smells a bit raucous.
It does smell.
Such a mess. Doesn't that smell weird to you?
Yeah, it does.
Oh,
I'm very concerned. Is there no way to figure out what it is?
March 20th. So it's still good. Oh, it's so crumbly. All right. Oh, it's white on the inside.
I don't wanna.
Oh, it smells so bad.
Ew.
It does not smell sweet like a Pop-Tart should smell.
Yeah, it smells like the beef taco jelly bean.
It really does. I don't wanna. I don't wanna.
Read the ingredients. Threy, you are a brilliant genius.
It's just gonna be natural flavors.
Wheat, flour, niacin, reduced iron, vitamin B1. I'm just reminding me of all the terrible things we're about to put in our body. Dried onion, garlic powder.
What?
Yeah.
Is this actually a beef taco flavor?
It really might be a beef
Pop-Tart?
taco.
Guys. Who did this?
Fess
this to
up.
us?
Fess up now.
Why would Pop-Tarts do this? Peeps ain't gonna come out with a mystery flavor that's taco. Oreo's not gonna come out with a mystery Oreo that's taco.
Those are the only two things on there that give any salt, dried onion, cornstarch, garlic powder.
It just smells so awful. Let's go. Can't try it warm. Ugh, warm. Ugh.
I have already got it and I'm taking a light.
I'm just gonna get a teeny little slur.
That's not fair. There's nothing. I'm not getting anything.
I'm getting something. Oh, I'm getting something. Oh, I'm getting something. Oh, I'm getting something.
I got something that time.
Why? 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 Oh, when it mixes with your saliva, it really intensifies.
I feel like it was Lark that sent these to us because she is very adamant that we toast these and eat them again.
There's no toaster here.
I most definitely did not, she said. Okay. I need to know what it is.
I am permanently frozen. I was expecting something so good. The last package we got had Tim Tams in it.
We had high hope.
And we got Taco Pop-Tarts. Taco Tarts. Frosted Taco Tarts. KY says that Mo is obligated to take one home and toast it and taste it for TikTok. That's a lot of teas. Do it. Make your son try it.
Oh
Make
yeah,
Topher.
he loves
Make Topher
Pop-Tarts,
take one
doesn't
and
he?
toast it and try it for TikTok. Terrible things. Terrible things, Eel Davis. Terrible things are happening. No, not Matt.
I'm slightly concerned here.
What?
Find a flat surface.
Tap to place. Whoa. What the heck? It's augmented reality. You gotta see the guy. Go back, follow him. That's weird. Did they leave a clue? Oh, it's revealing the answer. Somewhere.
What? Did you read it?
Two halves make a whole, but there's still a hole. Two halves make a hole, but there's still a hole. According to Google, it's everything bagel.
Okay.
That's what Oriole says.
Yes.
That makes
that's-
sense.
I'm typing it in.
Taco tarts, just like Mama used to make. They don't taste like tacos. We just jumped to tacos because we just had the taco flavored jelly beans, and we saw onion and garlic powder in the list of ingredients.
Why?
That makes a bit more sense.
I want to answer and see if I'm right. This is the dumbest thing.
It might be over by now. Anyway, they were gross. So thank you so much to whoever anonymously sent this to us. You are now forever scorned.
And you're making me join the Kellogg's fam in order to figure out what kind of Pop-Tart I just ate.
Now I'm going to get so much Pop-Tart junk mail.